This is a projector. Should I hit it with a hammer? Should I? Should I? Tell me in the comments. Well, I just hit it with the hammer. Oh my god, the projector actually broke from just one hit with a hammer. So let's see what's inside this projector. But please, never destroy your good things like this. You will only end up harming yourselves. I only broke this projector like this because I wanted to show my viewers what is inside a projector, so that you can learn what is inside a projector. This was my good projector, but I had used it for about a year and now it was already close to the end of its usable life. That's why I broke it and showed you what was inside. But you should never destroy your good or old things like this. If you comment and tell me the names of these parts inside the projector, and if you're interested in learning more, then I will completely take this projector apart. I'll open it up and show you all the internal parts part by part. I'll also show you its lens. If you're interested in seeing all of this, you can let me know in the comments. If I get your comments, I'll make another video about this topic later. Thank you.